Hi, I'm Tasman and today I'm going to show you how to make a rice protein leave-in conditioner using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. First, log in and select the Skin and Hair Care program, and then click on the leave-in conditioner build, and then click Create. Now this leave-in conditioner is one where you can put it into your hair and leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse it off. Or it actually does work if you apply it to damp hair, just a tiny bit, to damp hair and then blow dry it dry, and it will leave your hair feeling really nice and silky smooth, and just like this, and not greasy. So firstly I'm going to select my humectant, and I'm going to pick the propane diol. Next is my gum, and I'm going to select the guar gum. For my cationic emulsifier, I'm going to select the Incroquat Behenal TMC 85. For my non-ionic emulsifier, I'm going to pick the Natrogem EW. Next is my lipid, and I've decided I'm going to go with the blackcurrant oil. This is great for dry and damaged hair types. Next is my polyquaternium. I'm going to select the Merquat 550 PR. This is going to give it a nice soft afterfeel. Now I'm only going to use a small bit of the polyquaternium because I don't want it to feel too heavy after wash off. Next is my preservative. And I'm going to go with the Yuxel PE 9010. Next is my actives, and I'm going to pick the rice protein. This helps to boost the shine of the hair, it reduces static, and also improves moisture and condition of the hair. Next is my added extras, and I'm going to go with some witch hazel extract. And lastly is my antioxidant, and I'm just going to go with the mixed tocopherols. And then click on Generate Method. And there you have a full formula and method. Now let's get into the lab. And that's how easy it is to make a rice protein leave-in conditioner using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe to createcosmeticformulas.com so you can get making your own conditioner. Happy formulating!